Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can play Grand Prix in F1 24. If you want to create your own Grand Prix, then you can simply go to the F1 world. Then over here you want to go to play. And finally here, if you scroll to the right, you will find Grand Prix and multiplayer Grand Prix. So now you can choose whichever you prefer. If you want to play solo, then that's fine, you can choose Grand Prix. Then you can select if you want to play with F2 2023 cars, F1 2024, or F1 World Car. So let's say I'm gonna choose F1 2024. Now over here you can add multiple tracks, you can of course add all of them if you want to. There we go. And then you can simply press advance. If you want to, you can also switch things up if that's what you want. So let's go further. Now we can select the team that we want to play with. Also in the top right corner you can enable and disable equal performance, so keep that in mind. And after that you can select the driver from the selected team. And now we have also some options where we can, for instance, adjust the difficulty. We can set up the structure where we can make also the length of the Grand Prix longer. We can extend it up to full. And on the right side you can also read the difference between each of these options. We also have the practice format, the qualifying format, and so on and so forth. We have the weekend structure as well. And if we go back, what is worth mentioning also is the weather and time of day, where we can set it to dynamic, or we can set up a specific weather for the session, and so on and so forth. So, and after that we can press start event, and there we go. Now we have the Grand Prix created. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!